Yeah, Sanbaran, my Sunny Bonani. Now let's do Itonga review. Yay, guys, at this point, get confused. I must say how Osanele and Obanele keep on swapping spirits, okay? Because suddenly, Zama and Ubanele was sleeping. After having a conversation ukuthi nje angeke umembeso uyakhanselwa akunamembeso okuzoyenzakala. But when uSanele woke up, he woke up as uSanele, not as Ubanele, surprisingly. And it's like he is somebody who has just had an amnesia. He does not know what's happening. He does not understand why is he in a hotel room with Uzama, where else is supposed to be making preparations for his members. So listen, he wakes up, he starts asking questions. Where am I? What am I doing here? Uzama is confused, it's like, Sanele, ukhuluma ngani? We had a talk last night, we were together, we were cuddling, you were happy. Why are you now having amnesia? And he got up, he's like, no, listen, I have to get ready. Umembeso namhlanje kwenzakalani? Why am I here? And Uzama, it's like, what? Ukhuluma ngani? Because last night when they had a talk, it seems like Usanele was Manele, and Umanele was like, no, relax. Membeso is something that has been called off. Don't even worry about Membeso. Membeso has been called off. Me and you are going to be together. So now, with Usanele waking up as Usanele, having a whole amnesia, not understanding what he is doing in bed with Uzama, and Uzama being Uzama is like, no, angenziwa nje mina kanjalo, ilalela angenziwa kanjalo. You're not even gonna try to use me or make me feel used, and you rush off to your members. So that's not happening. And at first, Usanele really looks like someone who wanna get dressed, is not paying mind on whatever Zama is saying. It's like, lalela Zama ngiyaxolisa, nami I cannot explain this. Did Uzama not pull out a whole gun? Makuthiwa isigebengu sizala isigebengu, they mean Uzama nobabakhe uNtanzi. Why did she even came with a gun in a vacation or whatever it's called, or a staycation with her men's? So she pulled up a gun. Before you know it, she was pointing it at Usanele. She's like, lalela, you have to call Uzama. You have to call Uzama and tell Uzama ukuthi nje engayihluphi lokwangempela and stress herself about Membeso has been called off. Of course, Usanele have cold feet. Like, what do you mean? I can't call my fiance who is waiting for me and says, listen, the members has been called off. But what choice did he had? Because the gun was already pointed at his head. He called, when he called, actually Mpali's mother answered the phone, be like, hello. And, umakazama indlela ajabule ngakhona ukuze umkhwenyane, and she's probably thinking, Usanele wants to call and say, lalela wema, I'm running late, you get. But Usanele then asked to speak to Uzama, and I think the phone was also taken by Zama's brother, who then said, no, it's fine, I can take the phone, Kumbali. And yeah, finally, Usanele benombali get to talk, Umbali ke lawo excited into ongayazi ukuthi how nje ukuphi, we've been waiting for you here, ukephi ngempela. And Usanele, is skeptical, so having to break this news that he has to break. Umbali ngaphulebele nje ethe khuluma, ye khuluma wena kunasikhathi sokudlala la, khuluma. Hayi ke Usanele ke broke the news ukuthi lalela wembali ngaze ngaxolisa, ngiyaxolisa ngixoxa into engenasize. Angisaphumeleli ukuza kumembeso. Umbali uba like, hayibo, why you're getting cold feet? It's normal that people start get cold feet when this thing is about to happen. Hi usanele nkosami proceed and say lalela the member so has been called off. Yo umbhali uthi hayibo sanele ithi uyadlala phela ukwazi ukuyenza into enjalo. I mean khona nabantu basekhaya lana khona kugcwela yekho umuntu ongekho and wena you're calling off the wedding ayengeke nje ithi uyadlala kwazi nje ukungigila ngaleyo ndlela. Noma sekuthiwa uyagilana but angeke nje uzokhona ukungigila kanjalo. Yeah, uzama on the other hand uhappy uthi nje ya mtshele ukuthi nje umembeso is being called off mtshele. Umbhali on the other hand udidekile ke uconfused uqedekile and ngaleso sikhathi usanele cannot talk long on the phone, you know, as long as he has already said ukuthi lalela the membeso has been called off. He can't say more, you know, he have a whole gun pointed at his face. Yo ngaze ngamzwela nkosami umbhalo wabantu wavele nje yazini waphelelwa amandla ayibona hayi not untanzi egqiba uphinda benoma wakhe bephila so luckily uvezi ikhanda ke. And you know what, as soon as I realized ukuthi bagqotshwe bephila but ikhanda savelile, this is when I know ukuthi no, this is not the end of the road for bona. Kodwa hayibo guys kwaze kwayisihluku kona leso sokugqitshwa uphila pho awucabanga nje usindo omhlabathi lapha kwazi nokwenza noma ngathi intuthane yakuhamba yo noma ngathi uhanjwa ispider scorpion ekhanda into ozoyenza uzovele nje ucimeze. Ngaze ngapho waziswela nkosabo uphinda benoma wakhe uphinda inkosami understandile ukuthi shame waze wamphoxa uma wakhe by dragging her into this mess. So the only thing that at that moment Peter could Pinda could say and answer ukuthi nje uyaxolisa kuma wakhe futhi uyabonga futhi uyaunderstand ukuthi yay ave hlupha. If it was not because of his mom, he would have long loved this word. And on the other side sibona uNtanzi nkosi yami ukhuluma nobhuti wakhe lana umpangezitha uthi nje yazini uyayisola bandla, you know, because uvele nje wavukelwa ulaka olumangalisayo and at that point he could have easily ended Uphinda and Ufaith's life. And he does say that he takes Uphinda and Ufaith as part of his family. It is said here that umpangezitha actually is the one who killed or eliminated Pinda's father. So now Ufaith as a single mom, or had to be a single mom and raise Uphinda ngene or Uphinda Gudla mean Pinda by herself, because Untanzi actually is responsible for making Ufaith a single mom. And he does say ukuthi from that day onwards, you know, wavele wafunga nje wathi angeke aphinda amlahle uFaith and uzomthatha amnakekele. And he does say ukuthi in him there is something that takes Uphinda as his own son. So therefore he just feels like he needed to punish them, obviously, but he feels like he went too extreme and he feels guilty. I was like, hayibo mpangezitha kanti unayo inhliziyo nyana, you know, as small of a heart. He then went back to the sites where they were buried, okay, and he instructed people there ukuthi lalelani ngisacela ngenzeleni ifavor ngenze sure ukuthi niyangidigela bona labantu niyabagubha bephume lana and bahambe beyogeza, and as soon as they have bath they will have a visitor back at home. Lapho ngithi hayibo ubani lelo visitor lelo, you know, because njena hayibo na ubani nje umuntu ongafuna ukuvakashela uFaith benophinda kwantanzi. But then we actually get to see which it was a dog. So I'm like, no, it was cute in a way, guys. Yo, I must say it was cute that Untanzi actually organized a doctor to come over and examine Uphinda. And Uphinda was actually shot by Untanzi, and udokotela ke lana uyafika ke uyasho ukuthi no, as much as Uphinda was shot, but bandly bullets nje alenzanga umonakalo omngakanani, did not hit the fragile organs, okay? Livele nje langena ladlula, awukho ulontosana obunzima obungako. And ku-Faith ke lana bayasho ukuthi no uFaith u-dehydrated nje nkosi yami, akukho nje ukutheni udlala nje i-dehydration kodwa nje uzoba right nje uma ke umpangezitha ke lana usekhuluma nabo ukuthi lalelani namhlanje wona Faith ngikunikeza i-day off awupheki uzophekelwa yimina. Nkosi yami guys, I know what he did is extreme, but kodwa futhi waziwa cute ngendlela exakile. Uthi nje awupheki uzophekelwa yimina. And uyasho ke lana futhi ukuthi imali yakhe uyayidinga, usayifuna yonke nje ngoba injalo and izobhadalwa uphinda. Uthi nje uFaith aka-relax efase iphondo, imali yakhe le kade ayiwithdrawile akayibisele ebhenki ngoba ayikho nje imali kaFaith akazoyithatha. Akumelanga ukuthi uFaith efele izono zika phinda. And uyasho ukuthi manike naphinda, manike naphinda nongifunda nengiqonde ukuthi kahle mina angisonsangu futhi angibhenywa. Hayi shame guys, ngicane ngitsheleni what do you all think about storyline sikaphinda benoFaith, like bazohlalisana kanjani laphayana? Do you think they will want to avenge themselves noma bazo-obeya ukuthi nje umthetho kaNtanzi usho ukuthi, because in a way mina ngifile ngathi uNtanzi wanted to teach them a lesson ukuthi noma sendlala sekuthiwa ikhona into ezokudlala emhlabeni ningaphinde nje nesindlalela kuNtanzi, ningaphinde. So nje ivele angicabanga ukuthi bazophinde bedlalela kuNtanzi, but also you can be obedient but have hatred at the same time. So nje ngiyayibuza vele ukuthi nje kuzophiswana kanjani lapha kaNtanzi, as much as vele bazomobey uNtanzi, but as soon as they get a small opportunity, would they want to avenge themselves now? Yeah guys, now up next nkosi yami nango-ke uMbali esekhala kanandi kanandi ke sana kuma wakhe. Uyamtshela ke lana uMahladla ukuthi waziwagileka uSanele just called and confirm ukuthi nje akezi kuMembeso and uMembeso has been called off. Kodwa amahloni ngizowathini amahloni sengaliwa phambi kwehlwele pause. Mina wonke kumele ngiphume ngitshele bonke labantu ukuthi lalelani uMembeso awusekho, so therefore ayihlanzi indlu. I'm like hayi ngeke nkosi yami waziwagile kuMbali and kakudeserve nje lokho, akakudeserve nkosi yami ukugileka kanje. uMahladla naye inkosi yami uyayithulisa ingane yakhe uzothini, uyasho ukuthi no uthula phela Mbali, kodwa nje mina ngine-sure ukuthi nje na kune-misunderstanding eyenzakalayo lana, kune-confusion nje ncane nje, no it can't be. Uthi uMbali malo nawe i-misunderstanding yani, i-confusion yani engane utshelwa yimina ukuthi uSanele ungifonele mina straight wathi nje angiphole angirelax enhloko uMembeso awusekho. Manje ke like okunye futhi kade kudingakala kumele ngikusho yini, ngathi hayi ke sana saze sasha like futhi makuthiwa nje khona umuntu ongadeserve ukuphatheka ngalendlela ebuhlungu kangaka, kushiwo uMambalisto like akadeserve tu. Ke on the other side also abakwa Magwaza nabo they are just as confused, you know. Nabo nkosi yami abakwa Magwaza like hayi bukantuphi ngempela uSanele, and bathi manje siyenze njani bafethu, siyaqhubeka siya kuMembeso. Umakhumalo uthi ayibona like that's not even a question, indawo yempela sibuza ukuthi kuyayiwa kuMembeso noma kuyiwa, vele kuMembeso kuyayiwa, kumele siqhubekeni siyele kuMembeso, you know. And as much as they are still discussing indaba yabo discussing indaba yabo yokuthi kuyaqhutshekwa kuyayiwa kuMembeso noma kuyahlalwa like nje yini ithini into yabo, they got a phone call from abakaDladla bathi yey nase nawukhulisa umdlwembe wengane naze nasilaya nasikholisela umdlwembe wengane, you know, and obviously abakwamagwaza they are confused ukuthi ayibona manje laba bakhuluma ngani. Bathi akuyena usanele wenu ofonayo ontshela ukuthi umembeso has been cancelled. Kuwo wonke amalanga abakadinga ukukhansela ngayo umembeso, ukhethe ilanga likamembeso ngqo ukuthi ekhansele. Yey. Saze sasha. Ayi abantu bakamagwaza nkosami bayahlonipha ke and then bayaphila bayobamba i-meeting lapha kaDladla. And you know, I don't understand ukuthi while they are holding a meeting nje, i-family meeting, kwenzakalani ke ihlwele leza sebeyimemile babatheni kuthi bathe ayihambe nomani. Yey kwenzakalani nkosami ke ihlwele. Nonetheless ke nkosi yami bayasholana ukuthi hey nabo abazi nje na they are just as confused abakamagwaza, you know, batshela bakaDladla ukuthi ayibona nathi asazi, nathi si confused, nathi sishaqekile nje njengani. If nina nishaqekile nathi sishaqeke more, because akufani nje nosanele ukuthi vele ekhansele umembeso kade ufuna kangaka. I mean, he's the one who even forced for umembeso, so it makes zero sense ukuthi umembeso ukhansele. Bathi nje hey kuyacaca nje ukuthi nina nakhulisa usikhotheni wengane osefuna ukuzodlala ngengane yami. Yey lo sikhotheni wenu nje akayena nje ukuthi usikhotheni bese kuphelela lapho. Usikhotheni futhi ufuna ukuzodlala ngengane yami. Saze sasha. Yey saze sasha like umakhuma like abantu bakamagwaza nkosami baphoxekile. You can tell ukuthi hayi nkosami baphoxekile indaba yokudlala, like nje ba confused, you know. Meanwhile nkosami masibuyela ngale ithandanini uzinje umbhalo ungawarisheki. Oh, you have done what you have to do, you did what you have to do, and now it's done. Okay, so murni worry, ungakhathazeki, ungayi-stress kakhulu, uthi nje uyizwisa ubuhlungu. Relax ngikhona mina umbhalo ngizokunakekela. I mean uzama ngikhona mina uzama ngizokunakekela. Lapho nje usanele uthi uzama lento oyenzile kumina kufana ukuthi ngibulale ngiphila, fana nje yazini fana nayo yonke into ekhona emhlabeni embi ungayicabanga ungayenza kumuntu iyo lento oyenze kumina. Like yini indlela nje engiphoxeke ngayo, you know. And then usanele lana uyambuza kumbali ukuthi kodwa Mbali, I mean not Mbali, hey guys I confuse umbali benozama ngicela ngixolele. Uyambuza ke lana uzama ukuthi kodwa Zama usake waba nje samathandweni weza nje ukuthi yazini nekhanda lithathi kahle uma ungakhulumanga nalomuntu. Athi Mbali hayibona uyangibuza like userious ukuthi uyangibuza phela lento obvious. Buka mina ukuthi manje ngiyahlanya ngoba ngisemathandweni nawe Sanele, ngize ngiphethe ngisho isibhamu ngoba ngisemathandweni nawe. Manje ke usangibuza ukuthi ngiseke ngaba semathandweni. Obvious ngiseke ngaba semathandweni nengiyazi ukuthi nje umuntu othandweni uyahlanya. Lapho ke usanele uyasho ukuthi nkosihamba wena Zama angiyimini kanjalo and understand ukuthi ukungikidnapha kwakho like sizophila impiloni usungikidnaphile sizoyibhadala ngani iron ihotel nani. Uthi nje uzama khuleka mina imali nginayo, yabona imali engayishela ubaba ikhona, hayi nje into yokudlala. So sizophila kamnandi sibe nemali siphile ngemali yami. Nkosi yami wamthanda umfana nanguzama. Buthi nje imali yami ikhona futhi sizophila ngayo futhi sizophila soft life khululeka. Guysini, if this is not ukuthanda umfana then angazi ukuthi ukuthanda umfana into enjani. Angazi mhlawumbe sasikho khona omunye usazofika ngilethele i-definition ukuthi hayibolalela ukuthanda umfana into kunjena nakanje, because hayibona uzama bafethu hayibona. But ke guysini asazi ukuthi izozala inkomoni namhlanje elamanqamu uD-Day. We have to see ukuthi usanele lona nkosi yami uzokwazi yini uku-overpower uzama, mhlawumbe ekwazi ukubaleka without ukudubuleka egijime eyosave umembeso wakhe, noma kuzohlaliwa lana up until umembeso uyadlula. Nkosi yami sengizwela umbali, I mean uzama umuntu okumele aphume efesihlwele eseyitshela ukuthi azambe umembeso awusekho. Nkosi yami yazabhlungu inhliziyo yami ngombhalisto. Anyway, my A, please do comment down below. Ningitsheleni ukuthi nje uD-Day wenu uthini. Lamanqaku namhlanje uLwesihlanu uyaqhubeka umembeso noma uyama. Umbuzo loyo umile. Anyway, my A, this definitely does bring us to the end of the video. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, you will obviously give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one when, of course, I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.